Did you know that standard security cameras are often the first thing intruders disable? If you want real protection without alerting anyone, hidden Wi-Fi cameras are the ultimate game changer. In this video, we're breaking down the top 20 best hidden Wi-Fi cameras for your home, from everyday wall chargers to invisible smart clocks. Stay tuned to find the perfect covert setup for your peace of mind. 1. USB wall charger hidden Wi-Fi camera. Think your wall charger is just charging your phone? Think again. Standard security cameras are bulky, obvious, and often the first thing an intruder or dishonest visitor disables. That's where this 1080p Wi-Fi hidden camera changes the game. It looks and functions like a normal USB wall charger, but it's secretly streaming live HD video straight to your smartphone 24/7. Because it plugs directly into the wall, you get continuous power with zero battery worries. Combined with smart motion detection and instant push alerts, you can check on your home, kids, or pets from anywhere in the world without raising an eyebrow. It is complete, invisible protection sitting right on your wall. Peace of mind has never been this discreet. Check out the link in the description to get yours now. 2. Digital clock Wi-Fi hidden camera. What if your bedside clock was secretly your personal home bodyguard? Leaving your home, kids, or valuable belongings unattended can leave you feeling constantly anxious, but visible security cameras ruin your room decor and give away their location. This sleek digital alarm clock solves that problem effortlessly. It doesn't just display the time, it conceals a powerful 4K Wi-Fi security camera right behind its mirrored display. Featuring crystal clear night vision, a 120-degree wide-angle lens, and real-time motion alerts sent straight to your phone, nobody will ever guess it's watching. You get full 24/7 surveillance while keeping your bedroom or office completely stylish. Protect what matters most in absolute secret. Grab yours today. The link is right in the description below. 3. Mini magnetic 4K Wi-Fi camera. This tiny camera is smaller than a coin, but it sees everything. Traditional security setups are expensive, require drilling holes through walls, and still leave massive blind spots around your house. Meet the ultimate ultra-compact Wi-Fi security camera designed to eliminate those headaches. Built with a powerful magnetic base, you can slap it onto any metal surface, hide it behind books, or tuck it under a shelf in seconds. It features true 4K resolution, invisible infrared night vision, and continuous cloud recording, so you never miss a critical moment. It offers flexible, invisible surveillance that adapts to any space in your home effortlessly. Keep your home safe anytime, anywhere. Don't wait, find the link in the description to order yours today. 4. Smoke detector Wi-Fi hidden camera. The ultimate overhead eye that nobody will ever suspect. Low-angle cameras on tables or shelves often miss crucial details and leave huge blind spots where uninvited guests can walk by unnoticed. Blending seamlessly into your ceiling, this hidden camera looks exactly like a standard smoke detector. Positioned high above, it captures a complete panoramic view of the entire room with zero blind spots. Equipped with long-lasting standby battery life, smart motion detection, and high-definition Wi-Fi streaming directly to your phone, it's the ultimate discreet guardian for your living room or office. You get complete bird's-eye security without anyone ever knowing they're on camera. Tap the link in the description to grab yours before stock runs out. 5. Lightbulb 360 security camera. Screw in a light bulb and instantly get 360-degree HD security. Installing traditional outdoor or indoor cameras usually means dealing with messy wiring, drill bits, and complex network setups that take hours to figure out. Eliminating all that hassle, this smart camera screws straight into any standard light socket in seconds. You can control its full 360-degree pan and tilt rotation directly from your phone, communicate through two-way audio, and even light up the room with its built-in bright LEDs. It is hands down the easiest, most powerful, and cost-effective home security upgrade available on the market today. Take control of your home safety effortlessly. Get yours today using the link in the description. 6. Picture frame Wi-Fi hidden camera. Your favorite family memory just became your best home security tool. High-tech security gadgets often look cold, industrial, and completely out of place in a warm, welcoming living room. This elegant photo frame solves that by combining stealth with personal home decor. It looks like standard artwork, but behind your favorite picture lies a hidden HD Wi-Fi camera. With an impressive multi-month standby battery life and ultra-sensitive motion detection, it records only when actual action happens, saving battery and memory space. It's stylish, totally covert, and practically impossible for guests or intruders to spot. Transform your home protection while keeping your decor intact. Check out the link in the description. 7. Bluetooth speaker hidden Wi-Fi camera. It plays your favorite tunes and keeps a secret eye on your room. Leaving random tech gadgets around your house can look suspicious, but practical everyday electronics never raise an eyebrow. Enjoy crisp, high-quality audio while secretly keeping your home safe with this dual-purpose device. This functional Bluetooth speaker disguises a 1080p wide-angle camera right behind the speaker mesh. Connect via Wi-Fi to watch live HD video from anywhere, day or night, backed by continuous wall power so you never worry about dying batteries. It's the perfect blend of daily entertainment and invisible room protection for your desk or nightstand. Grab yours now. The link is in the description below. 8. Tissue box hidden Wi-Fi camera. A standard tissue box sitting on your table, or a high-tech spy cam? Intruders and dishonest visitors always look for visible security devices first to avoid getting caught on camera. Place this tissue box in your living room, office, or kitchen, and nobody will give it a second look. It conceals a hidden HD Wi-Fi camera equipped with night vision and instant motion alerts sent directly to your mobile device. Just insert real tissues, power it on, and stream live footage completely undetected. It offers simple, highly effective, and 100% covert surveillance right in plain sight. Find the link in the description to order yours now. 9. Wall clock spy Wi-Fi camera. Every second counts when it comes to keeping your home secure. Most room corners have hidden dead zones that standard countertop cameras simply cannot cover effectively. This fully functional analog wall clock hangs seamlessly on any wall while housing a hidden 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera inside. Offering a broad wide-angle view of the entire room, continuous loop recording, and real-time mobile app integration, you can check in on your home from anywhere on Earth at any moment. You get complete elevated room coverage without altering your home's aesthetic. Time is running out. Click the link in the description to secure yours today. 10. PIR motion sensor hidden camera. Looks like a standard alarm sensor, acts like an invisible watchman. Traditional security cameras stream continuously and drain their batteries in a few hours, forcing you to constantly recharge them or sift through endless hours of empty footage. Designed to look like a standard home alarm motion detector, this hidden camera mounts flush on your wall and remains completely unsuspected. Thanks to advanced PIR heat sensing technology, it wakes up and records only when human movement is detected. You save massive amounts of battery and storage while maintaining ultimate stealth and protection. Click the link in the description to get yours today. 11. Essential Oil Diffuser Wi-Fi Camera. Freshen your room's air while quietly securing your entire home. Finding a security solution for relaxation areas like bedrooms or spas that doesn't feel invasive or ugly can be really challenging. This stylish aromatherapy diffuser doesn't just relax your senses, it hides a state-of-the-art Wi-Fi camera inside. Stream 1080p HD video directly to your smartphone while filling your home with soothing scents. With invisible night vision and instant motion alerts built right in, it keeps watch while you unwind. Upgrade your home ambience and personal safety at the exact same time. The link is right in the description below. 12. Wall outlet receptacle Wi-Fi camera. The most realistic hidden camera setup you could ever install. Battery-powered hidden cameras eventually run out of juice, leaving your home completely vulnerable when you least expect it. Replacing your standard wall outlet, this hardwired Wi-Fi camera offers endless 24/7 power with zero battery limitations. It features fully functional plug sockets alongside a hidden micro lens streaming sharp, 1080p video straight to your smartphone. It is 100% invisible to guests, babysitters, and intruders alike, offering permanent security you can rely on. Don't compromise on your family's safety. Check the link in the description to get yours now. 13. Weather station desktop camera. Check the temperature, check humidity, and check your home security. Desk accessories are almost always ignored, making them the ultimate place to hide high-definition surveillance. This modern desktop weather station displays accurate indoor climate data on a crisp digital screen, while secretly housing a high-definition Wi-Fi camera. Equipped with invisible night vision and instant smartphone push notifications, it blends perfectly into any home desk or office setup. Stay fully informed about your indoor climate and your home's security with one sleek device. Grab yours today. The link is in the description. 14. Fake plant hidden Wi-Fi camera. Bring green life into your room, along with 24/7 peace of mind. High-tech gadgets often clash with natural, cozy home interiors, leaving your home security feeling cold and out of place. Tucked neatly among dense artificial leaves, this hidden Wi-Fi camera is completely impossible to spot even from inches away. It offers clear HD video streaming, intelligent motion detection, and long battery standby, making it ideal for bookshelves, coffee tables, or TV stands. Add a lovely touch of natural decor while keeping your loved ones and property fully protected. Click the link in the description to order yours now. 15. Clothes hook hidden camera. Hang your coat, hang your hat, and capture everything in secret. Entryways, hallways, and closets are prime targets for quick thefts, yet standard cameras are too noticeable in tight spaces. Mount this innocent-looking coat hook on your wall or behind a door. While holding your heavy jackets and bags, it quietly records crisp HD footage straight to a microSD card or streams via Wi-Fi directly to your mobile phone. It provides discreet entryway surveillance right where you need protection the most. Get yours today before stock runs out. The link is in the description below. 16. Water bottle portable Wi-Fi camera. A water bottle on your desk that doubles as a high-tech security camera. Fixed wall cameras can't protect you when you move between different rooms, offices, or travel destinations. Take your personal security anywhere with this unique device. This real, functional water bottle features a cleverly concealed Wi-Fi camera hidden inside the label area. Fill it with water, place it anywhere, and monitor live HD footage on your smartphone with instant motion detection alerts. Its portable, stealthy design ensures you have instant monitoring wherever life takes you. Grab yours now. The link is in the description. 17. Book hidden Wi-Fi camera. Hide your camera in plain sight right on your bookshelf. Most hidden cameras require frequent recharging or obvious power cables that give away their concealed location. Disguised as a standard hardcover book, this camera blends effortlessly alongside your favorite novels on any shelf. Packed with a massive internal battery that provides up to 30 days of motion-triggered recording, it captures sharp 1080p video with invisible infrared night vision. It's the ultimate long-term covert surveillance tool for any room in your home. Check the link in the description to order yours. 18. Air Purifier Wi-Fi hidden camera. Clean air and total security in one sleek, modern device. You shouldn't have to clutter your living room with multiple bulky electronics just to keep your home healthy and safe. This fully functional air purifier keeps your indoor air fresh and allergen-free while secretly streaming 4K HD video straight to your phone. Powered continuously from your wall outlet, it features smart motion alerts and crystal clear night vision to keep watch round the clock. Breathe easy and enjoy total peace of mind knowing your family is protected. Tap the link in the description to get yours now. 19. Flower Vase hidden Wi-Fi camera. Elegance meets stealth in this beautiful home security centerpiece. Security devices are rarely attractive, often ruining the carefully curated aesthetic of your living space. Place your favorite flowers inside this stylish glass vase while it silently monitors your entire living area. Featuring a hidden 1080p Wi-Fi camera with broad wide-angle coverage and instant smartphone streaming, It transforms everyday decor into a high-tech guardian. It's the most beautiful and unsuspected way to safeguard your home without compromising on style. Grab yours today. The link is in the description below. 20. DIY camera module turn anything in your house into a custom hidden camera. Pre-made hidden cameras might not always fit your specific room layout or your ideal personal hiding spots. Unleash your creativity with this flexible DIY micro Wi-Fi camera module. Featuring a tiny pinhole lens on a flexible ribbon cable and a compact battery pack, you can slip it inside tissue boxes, stuffed animals, clocks, or custom wall art. You get live HD streaming and instant motion alerts custom fitted to your exact home environment. It gives you 100% personalized security tailored entirely by you. Order your DIY kit now. The link is in the description.